So it's been 4 months since we moved on this townhouse. So on today's video, I'd like to share with you guys and show you our DIY house projects that we've done so far. And these projects help us save some of our closing costs. If you are new on this channel, welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay with me until the end of the video. Your viewing time will help us grow this channel. As you can see here, we installed hardware on all our covers. For a lot more selections and in bulk prices, we decided to purchase the hardware from Amazon. In this project, you're also gonna need a template for the position of the holes, a drill, and a screwdriver. And here's a close-up look of the knob for the cabinet covers and the handle for the drawers. This is a brushed nickel finish. On to our next project. On this project, we sealed the floor grout on every room. This project will take you days to finish from a room onto the next room. You are going to need a helper because, oh boy, it's gonna hurt your back and knees. Hurt your back, your knee? It also gonna need a drying time, so at night will be the perfect time to do it. Or pick a time where there are no people that will be walking around where you applied the sealer. You can purchase this on any of your local hardware like Lowe's or Home Depot. The sealer will help protect grout against stains. It's easy to apply with the included brush tip. The first thing to do is wipe and clean the area before applying the sealer. And here's the result or the effect with the sealant and without the sealant. Here's our most recent project. We installed and mounted light fixtures on our bedrooms. We also got this from Lowe's. And I picked this simple and slick design that goes with our minimalist style in white and in brushed nickel wash. While we are here, let me give you a mini tour. This is LJ's bedroom. He still has his twin bed and drawers and mismatched furnitures. Well, we are prioritizing first what we need to be upgraded first. And this is his work table and cabinet and shelves. Now let's go on to JC's room. This is JC's bed. He has a queen bed, courtesy of Lola Deo. And he has his little corner for his distance learning. and his cabinet. And now into our bedroom, the master bedroom. We also have our old bed, queen size bed, our old drawer and TV. And here's some of my inventory for my online business and my bookshelves. That's pretty much it. I just want to show you guys our light fixtures that we recently mounted. So here downstairs, the refrigerator is one of the priority that we purchased because the stove, the microwave, and the washer are included when we bought the house. And here's how it looks like with the hardware that we installed on our kitchen cabinets. And here's the dining room and the living room combo. The ceiling light is also recently installed. We got that from Lamp Plus. And here's the hubby, our old TV stand and our TV. And so far this sectional and the window treatments, the ceiling light, and the dining table, the dining set, and the area rugs are the recent purchase. Coming up, this little area will be turned to a more functional workspace for my online business. Please watch out for that coming video. I will be posting it soon. Just a reminder, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye!